Hey everyone, it's Nick with RadView Detection. Today I'll be showing off what's included in the RadView beta testing kits we'll be sending out soon. So first off is the RadView detector itself. Next up we have a mini XLR cable. Just plug that in like that. Then we have a mini XLR breakout board. See one right here. We include jumper wires so you can connect these to your breadboard. Just like this. Then you can connect your mini XLR to the breakout board. And then lastly, we also include a piezoelectric speaker, so that way you guys can hear the radiation clicks. Like I said, we'll be sending them out shortly, maybe in the next week or two. If you guys are interested in more tech specs, check out our website. We have all the specs of the detector on there. I really appreciate your support on this project. From a hand-soldered, monstrosity to a compact radiation detector, I've had your support the entire way. Anywho, this has been RadView Nick. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.